Hello, everyone. My name is Brennan, and I don't know if you can hear um, the audio, but we're gonna be playing BattleTech today. It was launched by a corporation called FASA Corporation in 1994, but was acquired by WizKids in 2000, and has since been owned by the company Tops. The Mech Warrior franchise is based off of this because you fly around in mechs, these big battle suits, kind of like the ones in Pacific Rim, if you've seen that recently. And just recently, they just put out the newer version of this game this month, so yesterday or today on Steam, so you guys can check that out. But I'm pretty excited to play this. It looks pretty fun. I haven't gotten this far in here, but it looks like we're just having to take out some DCMS's compounds located in the northern sectors. Yeah, so I'm really excited to get into this. This has been scrolling right here. You guys can go back and read it if you're looking to get some of the lore from this game. The music in the intro was really cool because it reminds me of all the games I used to play when I was, a kid in the 2000s on my Game Boy and on the computer and whatnot. The 16 or the bit music is very reminiscent. Okay. So it looks like we have a little bit of setup here. Just chose the missile. So I think I can move my guy around. Oh, this is awesome. So I gotta go to the northern sectors here. It looks like that tank is trying to kill me here. Can I just step on him? No, I can't. So I just shot that guy. There's a lot of people shooting at me right now. You can see there's like a littler mech here. Okay. I think I'm running really low on health here. Oh, look at this mech here. Oh wow, this is interesting. Oh, he's gonna... Okay, I'm overheating. But I'm not dead yet, which is good. Okay, I got some coolant. Okay. So we gotta go to the northern Oh. This is actually really cool and responsive and not old and laggy like I thought it was gonna be. So there's another mech coming. I don't know if you guys can hear the little lady talking to me, but I gotta take out this mech. Oh no, did I just die? Oh wait, no, I think I have lives. This is very hard. Okay, I got him. Alright. I like the design of this mech. It reminds me of the ones in Pacific Rim. Is that like a turret? Oh, I overheated again. I wonder if I have a certain amount of lives in this. Oh, I'm hitting him good. I'm hitting him good. Yeah, that was easy. Alright, let's keep going here. I think we're pretty sure we have to go to the northern sectors, so I'm just trying to walk up. I'm assuming if this... Where is he? Where is the enemy mech? I'm gonna die again. I'm overheating too much. Yeah. Oh, that was it. Alright, you get 3 lives. That was interesting. This game is really cool. Oh no. Okay. This game is really cool. I like the fact... Yeah, I failed the mission. I like the fact that you can run the keys are you had to program the keyboard in the beginning. I'm gonna turn this music off real quick so I can talk to you guys. So you had to plan the keyboard in the beginning you had to program it to your keyboard, the controls. And so once I put it on the WASD, the WADS thing, that made it really easy to be able to go back and forth. And then shooting it, I had it on F, G, H. And so I was just right here, clicking in and going. And we can go in I'll play another in the background while I'm talking to you guys. Let's do something that's really unique about this game is it is what started the whole mech, I guess, the mech thing, the mech craze with like Pacific Rim and all of that stuff. I'm trying to think if there's any other games. I'm sure there's some like Halo thing that had to do with mechs. So that's where all of this kind of came from, which is really cool. Oh, looks like a missile here. But yeah, other than that, I thought this game was really cool. I've really enjoyed playing it. I wish I knew of this game when I was a kid, because playing this is kind of cool. I like shooters like this. But some things that I don't like about the game, it's kind of hard to tell like where exactly your objective is. I think I'm just kind of running around unless I'm just going around destroying all of these things. He said to go to the northern sector, and there's no compass, so it's a little hard to kind of tell where you're going. But other than that, I've really enjoyed playing the game. Yeah, just those things, I can't really see where I'm going. It's a little repetitive, but I really like how fluent the game is, and the 16-bit is really cool. It reminds me of things when I was a kid. It looks like the objective kind of is just to go around and destroy all of these things while dodging all of the defenses, which I guess I would have picked up on eventually. It's still you would have no idea in any other sense. But yeah, let me see if I can just finish out this mission real quick for you guys. See what I can do here. I've died once already. I get 3 lives. He's not shooting at me yet. Okay, there he found me. See if I can take him out before he takes me out. Okay. Oh, wow, we died at the same time. Very interesting. All right, let's see if we can take out the. It looks like there's little tiny mechs in there, which are kind of fun. Like these little guys. Looks like I'm dropping massive bombs here. This guy's shooting at me. I think I'm just unloading all of my ammo. Nope. Is that my third death? Or I got one more? That was my third one. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this playthrough of BattleTech Online. I think I might definitely, because the newer version that came out is a turn-based strategy game, and I really like those, such as like Civilization and whatnot, so I'm going to check that out on Steam. If it's not too expensive, I might pick it up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I look forward to watching all your guys' videos and see what you guys come up with. Thanks. Bye.